Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. I'm Yufang Hou, and I'm the General Organizing Chair for the ITU Summer School on NLP. On behalf of the entire organizing team, I would like to extend a very welcome to all of you joining us today. So this year, our summer school is scheduled just right before ACL 2025 and brings in total 16 excellent speakers from 9 countries, representing both academia and industry. So in total, we have 78 participants from 15 countries. Among them, 45% are women, and around 65% are PhD students, master students, and undergrad students. At this summer school, we also set up student subsidy program to support students from no background, no resource background, and outstanding female students. In the end, 4 students have received subsidies, 2 women and 2 men. Here, I would like to thank our industry sponsors, Keba, Sparkasse, Infineon, and Amazon. And thanks now for your generous support, which is instrumental in making this summer school run smoothly. And here, I would like to say a sincere thank you to our amazing organizing team and to our supporting faculty members. And without your help, this summer school hasn't been possible. So a few words about the program. We have designed an exciting 2-day program featuring 9 invited talks, 2 panel discussions, 3 tutorials, and 1 social event. Please pay attention at 11 a.m. today. There's going to be a photo session in this room. Please remain seated to make sure that we can have everyone in the shot. And then at that time, please follow the instructions from our photographer, Martin. And then, we will have 2 short industry presentations during the lunch breaks on both days. So if you are interested in research and internship opportunities at Infineon and Amazon, please come to this room. And on the morning of the 26th, pay attention, the tutorial 1 will take place in parallel with tutorial 2 and tutorial 3. There's going to be a 30 minutes break between tutorial 2 and 3, and the tutorial 1 will have its own break arrangement, which will be announced in the very beginning of that tutorial. All right, so I'd like to here highlight our social event, Women in AI, which will take place at 6:20 p.m. today in this room, organized by JMA. So there's going to be a very short presentation on academia industry landscape in Austria and Europe, followed by 3 discussions. Everyone in the room is welcome to join this social event. So about the room arrangement, so tomorrow morning, tutorial 2 and 3 will take place in the Einstein room, which is in the upper left corner in the 3rd floor. All other talks, panel discussions, tutorial 1, and the social event will take place in this room, which is called a Winter Garden. So the coffee and the lunch breaks will take place in the kitchen area, which is just like the outside of this room. So some local information. First, all the sessions will be recorded and later shared on the ITU YouTube channel. And next, please kindly respect Infineon's building policy. That is, no photos are allowed inside this building. This is because we are in a very sensitive and high secure industry research lab. And then our press team will, with special approval, will take photos inside this room and upload them constantly in a public folder. So you can check all the photos from this folder, and then if you want to say take the photos in front of the summer school banner, and then please reach out to Martin during the break, and then he will take the photos for you and immediately upload the photo in this folder. So next, restrooms are available on this floor and also on the ground floor, and so about 20 minutes after the last session on each day, and our organizing team will start cleaning the room. So please remember to leave the building before 8:15 p.m. today and 7 p.m. tomorrow. And the most important information for participants who don't have mobile data on your device. So we have provided Wi-Fi access. So this is the name and the password. You can also find it on, I think, in front of the door there. All right, with that, I would like to welcome you again and wish you a very successful and productive journey with us. And now I would like to introduce our president, Stefanie Lindstaedt, who will extend the welcome to you on behalf of ITU. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. First of all, I want to thank Yufang for this enormous effort you put into organizing, creating, ideating this summer school. Please give a warm hand for her. And secondly, I want to say thank you for the ITU team, because we have a lot of people here who've been busy the last weeks like crazy in order to really get this going. Please. So, you probably have not heard much about ITU yet. So we are a baby university. We're Austria's youngest university. We're operational since July 2023, pretty much exactly 2 years. And by fall, we are expecting to hit our 100 student mark already after just 1 year of being operational on the educational side. So we have 2 PhD programs. We will start our master's program in fall. The master's program is called Interdisciplinary Computing. So it's something very new and experimental. And so we have a lot of, we basically have 3 main directions in which we want to excel. So one is interdisciplinary research. The second one is project-based learning. So this is a very specific kind of teaching, which we want to do. And we have a totally different governance structure than other universities. And this is because we have our own law. So this is a challenge and an opportunity at the same time. And one of our goals is also to excite women for technology. And this is why I'm very, very happy that there are so many women here today and participating in the summer school. So actually, this is already our 3rd summer school. So we started already in August 23. With the first one, but this is the very first one on natural language processing. And so it all started that Yufang made us aware that ACL this year is in Vienna, and that we could really piggyback on it and invite speakers here. And so we took the opportunity, and we're very thankful to all of you that you made your trip to Linz to visit us and to participate here. One highlight I'm specifically and personally looking forward to is this panel, which we will have today. which is the future of interdisciplinary education in the age of LLMs, the challenges and opportunities. I think this is something which a lot or all the universities are struggling with. Yeah? So what does it change? It changes everything, basically. And but we think with our project-based approach, we're actually very well equipped to handle this. And but it will be very exciting to hear from all of you and from the speakers what their perspective in that direction is. Yeah, and with this, I think I just want to end again with thanking our industry partners. We already did this before, but Keba, Sparkasse, and Amazon are supporting us. Thank you very much. And specifically, I want to thank Infineon for giving us this wonderful space here. And I hope you all enjoy your time here as well as in Linz. Thank you.